Kenyan President William Ruto on Thursday dismissed all of his cabinet ministers and promised to form a new government that will be lean and efficient following weeks of protest over high taxes and poor governance. Sabina mashoko abdanyogo pana vanhu subscribe like on the bell icon. Wanyara wachiti. In a televised address, the president also dismissed the Attorney General and said the ministries were run by their permanent secretaries. Ruto said he made the move after listening to the people and that he would form a broad-based government after consultations. Kenya has seen 3 weeks of unrest in which protesters stormed into parliament on 25 June after a finance bill that increased taxes was passed. More than 30 people died in the protests, which have formed into calls for the president to resign. Some Zimbabwe ndo machikandana kubatira mzana natona aiwa Kenyan president anodismissa all of his cabinet ministers. Sachimotudze mafungiro enyu munokudipa musoro aiwa pe move yaraitwa na Kenyan president. Munoziva kuti aiwa Kenyan president ari kufesa stiff resistance kana maprotest nekuda kwevagari munyika mavo nekuda kwemismanagement kana kusaralwa zvakanaka kuitwa nyika. Tinoona same situation ichitikawo munyika yeZimbabwe. Sachimotudze mafungiro enyu munokudipa musoro chipechiti pechipina comment section medu. Subscribe, kulike, turn on the bell icon.